Idol John, come in!
Bigbigen ni Laoag City Mayor Michael Marcos yon, Kadagiti kandidata ti Miss Laoag 2025 ti MAYSA Kadagiti Karirigatan MAI-JUDGE kadayto itagta a grupo. Dayto ti MAYSA Kadagiti imbitlana itinaangay a pre-pageant itay laeng napan nga aldaw. Imbatad na dayto grupo ket pagbibinalubalan dagiti best looking nga kandidata isut po na amarigatan dagiti judges amang pili ng sinot ag prevail wenno ag balegi. Nupay kastay na ti mayor nga amin dagito ket may bilangin ananga pabay na tiya panagpagpat dagiti stage. Malaksi diti pan nakabigbig dagiti kandidata ket pinigbig pa iti mayor dagiti aday ti likodan daytoy apasken nang nangruna dagiti event organizers ken na dagiti judges aga po pay kadagiti nagduduma a lugar.
Di syudad ti Laoag agyaman ang apoy because you're all here tonight to witness the pre-pageant of Miss Laoag. Palakpakan tayo apo. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to the preliminary competition of the much-anticipated search for Miss Laoag City, Pamalilawan 2025. This year, as we gather under the theme Prevail, we are reminded of the strength and determination that define our city and our beloved Kailians. The Pamalilawan Festival is a testament to our shared spirit, our rich heritage, and our hope for a brighter future. In these challenging times, we have shown time and again that we rise above adversity, united as one Team Laoag. Tonight, we are thrilled to welcome 15 remarkable candidates, each representing the diverse beauty and talents of Laoag City. These young women are not only ambassadors of beauty, grace, and charm, but also symbols of empowerment and strength. As they take the stage, they will showcase their unique stories, aspirations, and the passion they hold for our beloved city. I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to the success of this event. Special thanks to the organizers and the production team headed by the indomitable City Tourism Officer, Attorney Charico Malikan. And of course, the ever-creative Direct Anthony Tonton Salva. I also extend my appreciation to our sponsors, most especially to the families and friends who have shown support for our beloved candidates. I wish the best of luck to all the contenders. Please remember that the contestants are already winners simply by being on this stage this evening. I know that the judges will have pinakamahirap time selecting because this is one of the best looking group of candidates that Laoag City has ever had in the Pamalilawan Festival. So to all of our beloved Kailians, take care, sit back, enjoy the show. Diyos tiyang nina kadagiti.
Tiya paset, tiya panagsarita ni Laoag City Mayor Michael Marcos yon.
Alright. Sinot na nga bakal ti preliminary Idol John? Ano nga barangay? Wala nga grupo?
Ito laeng
Na?
February 12, Idol Bernard.
May announce pa lang.
When,
Okay.
Idol Bernard.
Alright. Alaka, good luck kadigiti kandidata tayo. Go ahead, Idol John.
Damagiti syudad ti Laoag, Kadwai 99.5 FM Laoag, Idol John 15 tatak for women.